guys, let me tell you something. Each week I'm gonna upload 3 videos. So each week, check the 3 videos. Also, if I don't publish 2 videos on a week, that's probably because I forgot. Alright, let's go try to beat. If I beat Token and the hard difficulty tower, then maybe I can get ring 3. I don't know. I need to beat Toki and Tower becoming overcoming hatred. As I showed you in the last video, showed you how to get Forgotten Bridge. But go in the elevator first if you want to do that quick clip I showed you. Anyways, let's go try to beat Tower becoming overcoming hatred. Alright. So just follow what I do to beat this tower. Actually I suck. Just follow my height score that I can get, so yeah, I really suck at obvious. Hey, at least I beat Hack. I beat it 2 times or 3, I don't know. Probably 4. No, I think it's 2 times. Actually, I don't know, I think 2 or 3. I think the most. Anyways, let's try to beat this. This is the first tower. Sadly, I'm not in the Kill Break Flag server. If I was, I'd be so happy. Also, there's a shortcut. Also, watch your step before trying to beat a tower. I haven't even. I tried beating this before. I actually want to beat it. Oh yeah. Here. Oh, there's a shortcut. You need a dance clip. You gotta go at the right angle, and then you do this. / E dance 2. / E dance 2. No, I didn't dance clip. I just wasted my time. Oh, if I didn't do it correct, please comment, because I really forgot how to do it. I better got to ring 5 with absolute no help. But I still existed when he got ring 1. Of course I did actually. So you go here, go here. Yeah, I don't care. And you go here. Now this is the real deal. I'm going to show you the real deal because you actually have to wait like so much. Somebody be talking. Now, I don't know if that's a hard tower or not. That's somebody just
Somebody be taller of generation failure. Check the chat. Somebody be taller of generation failure.
I already checked it. I didn't want to spoil it. So you didn't hear it because they're actually mean.
Oh, yeah. That's my first time finding a catastrophic completion in my videos.
Oh, Stan, is that a soul crushing?
What do you mean, is that a shortcut?
No, a soul crushing.
A what?
A soul crushing.
Yes, that is the second hardest soul crushing in the game.
Oh,
Welcome to
better say GG then.
I'm probably gonna upload this on the same day as the Tower of Pops commentary. I'm pretty sure it's on Premiere right now. As I'm recording this video.
Spam spacer if you want to live though.
Guys, the video's out. The Premiere's out. Never mind, Premiere's left.
I think I can survive. Yes, I live.
Welcome to take 5 of trying to beat Steeple of all
think this is enough. Oh, I rested enough. This is actually gonna be really long. I wasn't on stream, Stefan.
Yeah, I did be tired of Please don't laugh at me, yes or no.
I hate it. That's why I always hope that there's gonna be a Kubrick lag server. Because I always,
Because I hate this part.
you guys, please delete the stage. I don't like the Kubrick part. Actually, it's really sad for me.
I think it's complete. I don't know if it's out there. I think it's complete, right?
I think I can go now.
Well, I found the stairs.
Yeah, I could. Let's go rest a little bit so we can actually try it.
Now there's a conveyor platform.
I think we can go.
Yep, it was right there.
Alright, we're safe. Finally beat the really annoying part. Also, there's this shortcut if you have enough health to do it. That's a shortcut if you have enough health to do it. You can try doing the dance clip shortcut. It's way better than that shortcut. Anyways. Oh, let me show you how to do a tightrope if you don't know. So go in first person, put your mouse on the tightrope, then just start walking. Then you'll be on the tightrope. You don't really have to jump. I just jump in case if it doesn't work. Alright, you do that part, and you're here. Well, sign is the last stage. I looked up and yeah, sign is the last stage. That's how to do it. Now you're in this stage. Well, not really much of a deal, except for the conveyor part. It used to be a deal for me. A real one. Oh. Oh, and here's the part. You can skip so much of the tower if you do the dance clip shortcut. But I suck, and I don't want to do it. And boom, bam, bada boom, bada bam, 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 boom. Alright. So yeah, I should be... Actually, let's end the video. I was gonna say I think it was a little too long, so yeah, I'm gonna end it. Bye, and peace out.